channel. This is Parallel Theaters Productions, where we focus on those creative arts. Today's creative art that we are going to be focusing on is a little bit of engineering. I am your host, King Tony the Black, and we are going to see which two teams, when put against each other, will be able to build a raft or a boat to survive getting back to civilization on this episode of, I already named it earlier, you should have been paying attention if you don't know it by now. Let's go ahead and roll that title. Basically, what we're going to be doing today is seeing if you guys could happen in the wild. Did you see that, right? Anything can happen inside the wild. So, we're going to see if you guys have what it takes to survive. Do you think you have what it takes to survive?
No.
Do you think?
No.
What about you? Alright guys, here's your scenario. You and a few friends are on a deserted island and you guys have used most of your resources. Now you guys must use what's around to build a raft or a boat to get back to civilization. Let's go ahead and start off with team number 1. They have 3 people in their group, but they are definitely confident that they will win this competition. Look at that guy with those scissors. Scissors, 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 scissors. Those are scissors of winners. Now we're going over to group number 2. Group number 2, they know that they have this game in the bag. They definitely gonna leave here winners. We are going to see, but first let me explain the rules and objectives. You can only use the materials given to you. You can only work with the people in your group. Your team's raft or boat must fit inside the bin provided. The team that finishes first earns 5 points, and it cannot be touched afterwards. Each item is worth 2 points. The team with the raft or the boat that fits inside the bin and has the most points within an hour will be declared the winners. All right, guys, we are off and the children are building their boats or rafts that they are going to use to get off of this deserted island to a known civilization. Now, guys, keep in mind, if you guys are doing this at home or if you're doing this at the camp, parents and volunteers, keep in mind that we want to spark the imagination of these children. So make sure that most of the ideas are coming from the children themselves. All right, so we got over here with group number 2 right here. All right, Amira, she has her scissor game going right now. All right, basically she's doing the scissor and popsicle stick strut. Going to group number 1 back over here, they are trying to put everything together. They're trying to see what floats, they're trying to see what sinks. If you guys are talking or thinking about doing this, I picked up these at the local hobby store down the street from me, guys. So make sure this is a very easy engineering project that you guys can do if you ever wanted to try this at home or at your camp. Yeah, remember at the very beginning of the video? I feel so sorry for this. You guys got 1 hour to build your boat.
He said a square. Make a square?
Rectangle. You have an hour. Trust me, this is not going to take 10 minutes. If it does, your boat probably won't stand.
And then we put,
you know, yeah. So yeah.
And then we can put,
you weren't having a conversation with nobody. What?
There you go. So we have the rectangle. All right.
Remember, you guys are getting points.
Take it out the water.
And now for the boat
build the side
items on your boat.
I got the slide.
So
each item is worth 2 points.
How good is this? Build the sides of the boat up.
Yeah, these are not stick with.
All right, group number 1 looks like they've added a new member to their team. Will that help them in the long run? Will that help them in the end? We'll find out in a few minutes. It looks like group number 2 is finished. We're back at group number 1, putting their finishing touches on the top. Looks like a helicopter. I have no idea why that's there. Maybe their boat is gonna fly out to civilization. All right, I don't know. Makes sense to them. Makes sense to me. And then we have over here group number 2 is finished, and the Kinder is showing me something very important in the corner and laughing. And now we have the results. Can't adjust anything.
It's not gonna fit. Oh yes, I believe
I
you.
don't know which way to go.
No, what's happening? You're trying to do. No, it doesn't. It made me go up and down. Trying to make it sideways. Mother, you can't help.
It's gonna fit.
No, because so that's supposed to
Yeah,
be. Oh, you're going to see.
Actually sink.
It's so much shade. In the winter time.
Yeah, Uncle Carl is gonna see it.
But that was not his fault though. No, that was not his fault. That was
I told them to put it however they want to put it.
It doesn't go like that.
Because it's kind of too big.
Yeah, and they won't go inside there that way. And the time is up, so you can't cut it or nothing.
I was going to say try to trim it, but you already...
It's around.
It's fun. No, you gotta leave that up. You gotta leave that up.
So I guess we have the winners over here.
We won, Team Bubble. Yeah. We won. Yeah, Team Gabriel.
No, we do what we do when we can.
I always win, right? No shame. Every time we have her, we
All right, my winning team, make some noise. Yeah, there's no fit, so
Wait, what?
it added much stuff, so it didn't fit. And the time was up.
The styrofoam itself is too big, so it won't fit
It
inside.
wouldn't fit.
So put it in the sink.
You had to make it in there.
Bro, y'all cheated, bro.
Y'all always say we cheated.
Ours is in the water perfectly, not sinking or anything.
That's what I'm saying. Why y'all can't put it in the sink?
If this video has made you want to build like a Markovian bat-face beaver, it's real. Go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.